Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to automatically lock your Windows PC with dynamic lock. You might thinking, what is dynamic lock? Dynamic lock is a feature that automatically locks a Windows device when a Bluetooth paired phone signal fails between the maximum received signal strength indicator RSSI value. This feature is available on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Enough intro, let's do this. Right-click on the Start menu and click on Settings. Then click on Bluetooth and Devices and turn on the Bluetooth. Now go to your phone and open Settings. Then Bluetooth. Now turn on the Bluetooth. Go back to your computer and click on Add Device. Add phone from the following list. The next step is to pair your phone with Windows. Now click on Connect. And the two devices are connected to each other. After your phone is paired with Windows, go to Accounts and Sign In options on your computer. Scroll to the bottom of the Sign In options page to the section for Dynamic Lock. Check the box says allows Windows automatically lock your device when you are away. The name of your paired device should appear under this option. Now the dynamic lock is now good to go. Let's check this. To test dynamic lock, make sure your Windows is unlocked. Now walk away from your PC with your phone. For my testing, I am going to switch off my phone's Bluetooth. Yes, it's working. So this can be a great way to automatically lock your computer. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.